Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily crude CL contract review. My name is Martin Rhymes. Hey, check out hitthemarktrading.com, find out what we do, and sign up for weekly blog updates. That's over on the contacts page. Once you do that, you'll have an opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. What the heck is Rooster Call? Well, it's my morning email I send to clients. And what this does is just presents my view of what's happened in the overnight markets. I look at the wires, I look at the charts. Very, very brief discussion on what is going on in the markets as we start our trading day. I send this out to clients, and I'd like to send it to you for free. Remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Nothing I mention should be construed as an offer to buy or sell any type of crude oil futures or options on crude. Great. Let's go to the charts. All right. Daily crude chart. I think it speaks volumes that we never saw a pump out of Brent crude or U.S. crude when news of Israel bombing in Syria was reported. I guess what that tells you is that the fundamentals are heavily weighing on crude, as well as Syria is in no position to retaliate, let's face it. Now, we have price touching this 9605 area, okay? 9605, just this window, 9610, 9605, doesn't matter, just this general area where price is. A break below this level suggests that we're going to go deeper, harder, and fast. How on earth can I say that? Well, just look at what happens when we approach 9610. Let's see, 9605. See, I'm saying 9610 on another video. Let me make this uniform. Good. Okay. I'm fine. Now here's the deal. Whenever we touch 9610 and start going below it, there's a slam down. See that? Here we are again. We go below it, boom, there's a slam down. Here it is again. We go below it, boom, there's a slam down. We go below it, boom, big day down. Now history repeats. If we break down below this 9610 area, understand we're going to 9426, okay? Now this is a commodity channel index. I'm not going to talk about how the mechanics of this thing works, but what I will suggest is that we are forming a potential not long, but a reversal pattern, okay? So you're seeing us test support. If we see the black line go through the red line, then a reversal. What does that mean? Price would probably run back up and try to test 96, okay? That's all that means. However, I'm telling you, if we break 9610, look for a big dip, okay? So crude remains an excellent day trading vehicle. Excellent. Now let's just look at the intraday chart here. Now this is a whole mess up. I see that. Your better times to trade crude are always, in my opinion, the morning. Okay? So just look here. We always look for a move in that 7 o'clock hour. And so at, let's see here, 7:33, boom, we start down. Now there was a floor pivot near here. And we move back up. In fact, let me show you that. Let me show you that. Pivot point. Okay, good. All right. This makes sense out of the intraday noise, doesn't it? So 7:30 we start rejecting a floor pivot, come on down here, and then 9 o'clock move, we always look for a move around the open. Boom, take it up. Where are we going? Back up here to where? A floor pivot. Reject that floor pivot, come on back down. Okay. So after this kind of 1, 2, 3, hey, the market needs to rest. Don't you agree? And so it did that. All this choppy action here. Okay. All right. So tomorrow, these are your floor pivots. This is what our expectation is. We expect this thing, if we drop below that 96.10, I'm telling you, you need to expect that we're going to hit this area. Okay? If we move higher, you need to expect we're going to move right here. That's it. Can we go higher? Sure we can. Sure we can. But the fundamentals are really grinding and playing out on this crude big time. If anything heats up in the Middle East, that's always good for a pop. So I will not record on Friday, but you'll catch a video over the weekend to capture Friday's action. Let me wish you an excellent weekend and a good Halloween this evening. Bye-bye now.